Happy Thursday! Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. We're going to continue with learning about open number lines. So far, we've learned how to add a single digit number to a double digit number using an open number line. And we've learned to subtract a single digit number from a double digit number using an open number line. Today, we're going to take it up a notch and we're going to add two double digit numbers, okay? So, for example, if I have 25 plus 32 equals, this is how that's going to look. All right, so I'm going to draw my number line. And because I'm adding, I'm going to start at the left, okay? When I add, I start at the left. When I subtract, I start at the right. So I'm going to start with my biggest number still, which is 32. Draw my line and start at 32. Now, it would be crazy for Mrs. Wright to do 25 jumps. I'm going to run out of room, and there's an easier way to break down 25, right? How many tens are there in the number 25? There are 2 tens. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to do what I call 10 hops, okay? So these are my 10 hops. They're going to be a little bit bigger because tens are bigger than ones. So I'm going to do 2 10 hops because there's 2 tens. So I'm going to do 1, 2, and then I'm going to look at how many ones I have. There are 5 ones in the number 25. At the end of my tens hop, I'm going to do some shorter hops. I'm going to do 5 1 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, because these are 10 hops, that means I have to add 10. Right, they're 10 hops, which means I'm adding 10. So what is 10 more than 32? You're so smart. I know you said that it is 42. So at the end of that hop, I'm going to write 42. Now it looks like I have one more 10 hop, which means I have to add 10 more to 42. Well, 42 plus 10 equals 52. That's the end of my tens hops, which means I'm on to my ones hops. That means also that I need to add ones now instead of tens. So 52 plus 1 is 53, 54, 55, 56, and I end at 57. 25 plus 32 equals 57. All right, so just to review, I look at my tens and how many I need to add on. I need to add 2 tens, so they're going to be a little bit bigger jumps. 1 big jump, 2 big jumps. Then I look at how many ones I have, and I'm going to add those jumps. Make sure you start your jumps, your 1 jumps though, at the end of your 10 jumps so we don't leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to add my 10, add my 10, add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1 to get my answer. Let's do another one together. So go ahead and pause the video, grab a whiteboard or a piece of paper, and let's do one more together. All right, let's say I have 57 plus 34. All right, here's our equation. The first step is to draw my open number line. Next thing we have to do is write our biggest number. Our biggest number is 57. So I'm going to start my line here, write my 57 here. Now what do I need to do? I'm gonna add 34. And instead of adding 34 little jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 34, I'm gonna break it apart into 10 jumps and 1 jumps, okay? So we have to look at how many 10s there are in 34. If I look, I can see there's 3 10s, so let's go ahead and do 3 big jumps. Start at that line and go 1, 2, 3, and now I have my 3 10s jumps, so I have to look at my 1s jumps. I'm gonna do 4 1s jumps. They're gonna be a little shorter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget, don't leave a gap here. We have to make sure they're connected, okay, or we get ourselves confused. So now I have to add these jumps together. This is a 10 jumps, which means we're gonna do 57 plus 10, which is 67. Okay. Oh, there's another 10 jump, which means we're at 67 plus 10 equals 77. Looks like I have another 10 jumps. 77 plus 10 equals 87. Now I'm at my 1s jump. 88, 89, 90, 91. 57 plus 34 equals 91. If you need to go back and review that video, go ahead and practice before you go ahead and do your math activity for today. Today you guys are completing an adding double-digit worksheet and a story problem. Have a happy Thursday. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.